Spiro from Autotech. Today we've got a brand spanking new ZL1 Camaro. This particular vehicle, it's not an Australian delivered Camaro. It was actually imported by our client directly from America, brought here, converted to right-hand drive, and now it's been registered and it's up and running, ready to go. This particular car, what we've done to it here is the client wanted a larger supercharger to eliminate the factory 1.7 litre unit, and we've upgraded it to a 2.9 litre. The 2.9 litre supercharger that we use is Whipple's supercharger, so it's a genuine Whipple supercharger kit. This particular car now, from factory, is producing 480 odd kilowatts, and now it's close to 600. So after the installation of the supercharger, you know, there was another 120 kilowatt gain. So this car should feel insane to drive with 600 kilowatts. So if you've got an SS Camaro that you want to get tuned or supercharged, look us up here at Autotech Engineering and see what we can do for you.